Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay, you are welcome back to the class, and we want to do practical on crystallization as one of the separation techniques. What will happen now is that we will dissolve the substance we have in water to produce a solution. So, Divine, take about 3 spatulas of sugar. We have sugar granules here. Put 3 spatulas in our beaker. Okay, put about 5 ml of water. About 5 ml of water. Pour it in it. Okay, so we are going to obtain a soluble solution. You know why it will be soluble? Because sugar will dissolve completely in water. Okay, so when we get a soluble solution, we will now apply heat to it. Now the question is, why won't we use evaporation to dryness to do it? Why do you think we will not use evaporation to dryness to do it? Yes? Why do you think we will not use evaporation to dryness to do this practical?
Because evaporation to dryness, one will be sacrificed, one of the two substances.
Okay, actually we are going to sacrifice the water here, but the reason why we will not use evaporation to dryness is because this solute, that is the sugar, will decompose on heating. Okay? So because this sugar can melt or decompose on heating, we will not use evaporation to dryness, because if we apply too much heat to it, it will decompose or it will melt. Do you understand? So what we will do is just apply a little heat to evaporate a little quantity of water. Then we will now get the crystal, allow it to cool, and then we will filter. Okay? So that's crystallization. That's what?
Crystallization.
Okay, so let's apply heat to it. So we'll just heat it small, unlike evaporation to dryness, where we will apply too much heat until the whole solvent will evaporated. So we'll apply a little heat, a little solvent will go. And why we want to use this method is because the sugar or any salt that can decompose on heating, okay, you will use crystallization. Because if you apply too much heat to it, it will melt or decompose. Is that okay?
Yes,
okay, so that's why we are using crystallization method. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And also we want to obtain a pure sample of this sugar. Okay? Crystallization actually is used in sugar production where purity is considered, and even in drug production industries. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And so we'll apply a little heat, allow the water to evaporate small. It's already evaporating. Are you seeing vapor coming out? Just a little. Then we'll allow it to get cool and we'll filter. Okay, so now you can see we have evaporated some water from the solution, right?
Yes,
okay, so we want to fold the filter paper and pour this solution, remaining saturated solution is now saturated solution because we have evaporated some water. So we'll put in a filter paper and then we will filter. Okay, it's already dropping. See, we filter. As we filter, we'll have some remaining in the filter paper. Then we will dry it, and then we'll get our sugar crystal back. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't forget that I said that this method is used when we consider purity of the substance. Okay?
Yes,
and also we considered the melting point of this solid before we chose the method to use, because this solid can actually decompose or melt on too much heating. That is why we chose evaporation to dryness. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We have filtered the water. You see water out.
Yes.
Okay, so here we have the sugar crystal left. Okay.
Yes.
So we are meant to leave it to dry. But if we want to quicken the dryness, we can actually add some some of this, okay? The substance we are using, you can add it, and we call this as a seed. We are putting it here to make this crystallization to become faster. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so that we can get crystals faster. So, but you have seen what we've gotten?
Yes.
Okay, so this method is crystallization, and we used it because this sugar can decompose on
Heating.
Okay, so thank you very much, and see you in our next class.